Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You were interested in Vegas at some point, you landed on this channel, and that's all that we do. Go ahead and subscribe. It'll really help us out, and it doesn't cost you anything at all. Also check the description so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. I also put a playlist for Caesar's Palace. It has all of our Caesars videos in there, the pools, the different rooms, the dining options, the different towers, everything that you need to know about Caesar's Palace. All right, let's get to this video right here. You clicked on the thumb, you know what's up. This is a room tour. We're in the Palace Tower. This one is the closest one to the pool, just in case you're looking for a point of reference. This is room 1637. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the entry area, and it's just regular. You do have a nice big mirror right here so that you can make sure you're looking good before you head out the room. But that's about it. You also have your closet here. Check this out. Actually, there's more doors over here. Obviously, plenty of room for all of your stuff. You also have your safe, your iron, some shelves in there. That's actually really big. And then, right over here in the closet area, this I guess is still the entry. You have a desk over here. It looks like there used to be a telephone here. Remember back in the day, the rooms had like little workstations. You would have a little notepad, your telephone, a little lamp, get your work done. Let's go into the bathroom. This is the reason that we stay at Caesar's Palace. Yes, it's a nice property, but you know what? Honestly, it's so big. It takes forever to get from self-parking to your room. It's a massive, massive property. It's beautiful, but it's massive. We do stay because of this. I'm gonna show you. The bathroom. Why would you stay at a hotel just because of the bathroom? Because we want to be comfortable. You've got a nice big shower right here. You also have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then, I really appreciate this. I just appreciate it because I want my privacy. I've got a separate toilet area. Big double sink for all of your stuff. Got to appreciate that right there. Especially, even though it's just two of us, we have a lot of stuff. So love all this space. And then this is the reason, the jacuzzi tub. This is where we like to just sit and chill in the evening. Jacuzzi jets all around, and look how deep this thing is. We love it. This is our chill spot, and this is why we pick Caesar's Palace. We have friends in town. We know we're gonna be doing a lot of walking over the next couple days. This is it for the evenings. Let's check out the rest of the room. Come on. Come on. Nice big space right here. Now, we always get one king because when you get one king, you just have more space in the room. This room is available with 2 queens, but it's just us 2, and we like to have the additional space, so we always get the one king. We're always specific with that. Look at that, nice big. This is classic Caesars Vegas also. Look at this. Two nightstands over here, a couple of lamps. I love that the lamps also have USB ports in them and a plug on the other side of the lamp so you can plug in your devices, because the actual outlets are pretty far from the nightstand. And then you've got this little feature. I love how they're putting this little thing in here. I love it because you can put your device there to charge. You also have a C-type, a couple USBs, and plugs. This is my chill spot in the morning to have a cup of coffee right here while Christine is still in bed. And you have another desk over here. This is more of your work desk. Now, most of the properties have gone away with free coffee. You can find them here and there. We've happened upon them at a room in Flamingo that was totally random. They had free coffee in the room. It wasn't an upgrade or anything, but it's really hit and miss, mostly miss though. However, and we did confirm this. You can ask yourself if you don't believe me, but we did confirm it. When these are in the room, you can use your own K-cups. All you have to do is go to CVS, go to Target, ABC store. Okay. Now that that's closed, go to CVS, go to Walgreens, go to ABC store, go to the grocery store, go Target, whatever. Buy yourself some K-cups. You can use this for free. Absolutely free. And again, I did verify that. Now, if you have a bigger budget than we do, they've got some tequila over here, some Patron, you've got some water, you've got other liquor and snacks, and temptation. Here's your refrigerator. This is gonna be fully stocked. Again, if this is your budget, you're in luck because these guys are full. And if you notice, I'm not touching anything because this stuff is on sensors. Once you take it out, it's charged to your room. So if you're thinking about emptying this out, putting your own stuff in it, and then refilling it when you're done, you're gonna get charged, and they're really cracking down on this. So I would recommend just leave it alone. What we do is we pack a soft cooler, a soft insulated cooler. Ours is from Trader Joe's, but you can find them at Target, you can find them anywhere. They're really inexpensive, and because they're soft side, you can just pack it right in your suitcase. They do have ice and vending down the hall. It'll save you a lot of trouble, trust me. So you've got your TV, and I love these TV stands because they're flat against the wall. They're not those big, bulky armoires like you find in some of the hotels, so it takes up less space. We've got more storage. Let's see. Some drawers over here, and another little shelf. Maybe for an extra blanket. What do you put in there? Let's take a look at the view. So this is the Palace Tower. So we're on the Mirage side of Caesar's Palace. So that's the view that we have right now. You can see to the left is the highway and the mountains back there. I love this view actually. You can see what's going on with Mirage, and look at the guitar tower over there. They're really coming along with that thing right there. All right, guys, it is checkout day. 2 nights in the Palace Tower here at Caesar's Palace. We haven't stayed here for so long, and that's really because it's not pool season. And because it's not pool season and this tower is closest to the pool, it's actually very quiet in this tower. If I had one complaint, or not even a complaint, one negative or con to say about staying in this tower is that it's so far from registration, from self-parking, from everywhere, from the casino, from the restaurants. It's really far. And that's really not even a complaint. It's just when you have big luggage, like you're hauling it all the way through the casino on that carpet. So that's it. All in all, would we stay here again? 100%. We love Caesar's Palace. We've never had a bad time here. We've never had a bad room. So that's it. Checkout day. We want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already and you made it this far, you might as well subscribe to our channel. You watched the whole video. Thank you guys so much. Give us a like. Hit us up on social media. We're Instagramming, TikToking. We're everywhere. We're Ninth Island Connection. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.